So in worked example 19, you're asked to solve an equation in trig. Now you could do this using the methods we've done by hand, or you could straight up just do it using your TI Inspire. So we're going to do it the second way. So what we've got here is 2 sine of 3x equals x. So what I'm going to do as a graph, all I've done so far is I've put 2 sine of 3x in as a graph. Okay. The next graph I'm going to put in is y equals x. And I'm going to look now for the intersection points of those graphs. Now, what I've done is I've zoomed in just so you can see where those intersection points are. I don't need to go out any further. So press menu, okay. Now when you go into analyze graph, you can see that number 4 is intersection. So if you click intersection, what you want to do is look at the lower bound and the upper bound of where you think the intersection is, and it gives you that intersection of the two graphs, okay. We'll do it again. Do it from the middle because we can see that there's an intersection. So analyze graph intersection and look at the middle of that graph there. And you can see that's 0, 0. Now because of the symmetry of this graph, we know that this point here is going to be the same as this one but with positive values. But we can check it anyway. Analyze, intersection, lower bound. Remember that's below the intersection point and upper bound is above the intersection point. And yeah, you can see, as we thought, it's going to be the same but positive because of symmetry. So going back to solve our question then, finding what x is, your intersection points for those graphs is going to be x equals 0. That's your first intersection point. And x equals plus or minus 0.893. Now remember the question's asking for to 2 decimal places, so 0.89. And x equals negative 0.89. So you've got just put a comma there, 3 points of intersection, and that corresponds to 3 solutions for that equation.